a student study project, under which we have selected the topic plastic waste management awareness among the villagers of Akkapur, which is done under the supervision of V. Sarita Rani, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. It's time to introduce ourselves. My name is B. Shirisha, BZC second year.
My name is Syed Aisha, BZC first year. I am Zeba Khanam from BZC second year.
My name is Raju, BJC second year.
I am Yasmin Vidya, BZC second year.
My name is S. Venu Prakash Raja, BJC final year.
I would like to start my presentation with a small quote. Only we humans make waste that nature can't digest, by Charles Murray. Yes, I am talking about plastic, which is burning issue. What is plastic? It is a non-biodegradable polymer made from different organic polymers and used in multi-sectors such as health, packaging, construction and transportation, etc. Coming to his discovery, plastic was accidentally discovered by a Belgian chemist Leo Baekeland and named as Bakelite, which is the world's first thermosetting plastic. Why plastic is so important to us? Due to low cost of production, high durability, flexible, lightweight, resistant to corrosion, easily molded into different shapes and attractive. For all these reasons, plastic is widely used. Ayesha will continue.
Thank you, Sirisha. The reasons to select this topic for our project work is nearly 8.4 to 9.4 million tons of plastic produced per year in India, out of which 80% has been discarded and only 9% is recycled. So this 80% discarded plastic causes harmful effects on human beings, animals and environment if not managed properly. To spread awareness on different methods of plastic waste management, we have selected Akkapur village of Nirmal district, Telangana state as plastic waste management practices are not well known to the villagers. Our project mainly aims at creating awareness on plastic waste and its management in rural areas. To observe the methods of management and disposal of plastic waste by households, minimization of plastic products and ban single-use plastic, protection of groundwater from pollution. By the end of our project, they should learn that there is a need to control and manage plastic waste to maintain healthy environment for present and future generations. Over to Zeba.
Thank you, Aisha. During observation of waste management practices, plastic waste littered on the road, which is highly hazardous for the environment. In most of the places, simply plastic waste thrown away from their houses. After this careful observation, we have decided to meet individuals or members in groups, explain them why plastic is harmful and what method they have followed to save environment from harmful effects of plastics. We visited primary school of this village and collected required information. Also encouraged them to boycott plastic utensils and also made pledge to minimize plastic and ban single-use plastics. We have also collected data from randomly selected households, shops, hotels and created awareness on plastic waste and its management, its harmful effects, and also encouraged them to use alternative of plastics. Raju will continue.
Thank you, Zeba. What are the plastic waste management practices followed by villagers and its impact? Commonly observed practices are littering of plastic waste, open dumping, burying in openers. Over to Sirisha.
Burning of plastic releases toxic gases such as dioxins, furans, mercury and polychlorinated biphenyls, which are carcinogenic in nature and also cause great threat to vegetation, human and animal health. Plastic thrown in water bodies produces toxic chemicals such as polystyrene and BPA released into water, causing water pollution and also affecting marine life. Open dumping causes soil pollution and also kills terrestrial animals. Over to Srinitya.
Thank you, Shirisha. Plastic waste data collected from primary and secondary sources. Under primary data, we have collected of profile of household, occupation, education. What are the most commonly used plastic items? Methods of inflow of plastic bags, utilization of poly bags, methods of opening milk packets and other plastic packets, and its importance, disposable practices followed by them. What are initiatives taken by Gram Panchayat to promote better management practices? Over to Venu Prakash.
Thank you, Srinitya. Based on the project report collected from a primary and secondary data, I would like to conclude that commonly found plastic waste is single-use plastic. Poor plastic waste management practices are responsible for harmful effects. Though central government gave a call ban of a single-use plastic by July 2022, it is not implemented everywhere. To ensure effective enforcement of the ban of single-use plastic, manufacture should be stopped. Along with the awareness programs, strict rules, punishments and fines should be imposed by government and local body. Shortage of a kerosene is the main cause. Burning of plastic, supplying of a kerosene by ration shop dealers can prevent this. Lastly, I would like to thank Sarpanch of Akkapur village and village secretary, all the villagers for their continuous support during the project work. I extend my gratitude to Honorable Commissioner Sir and our supervisor for making us a part of environmental protection. Thank you.